Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Mal and I'm the owner and maker of Made by Manny and Mal. In today's tumbler tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy, cozy kind of homebody tumbler. I don't know if any of you guys relate, but I would rather stay home. So I decided to make a tumbler that kind of fits that cozy, at-home vibe. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, you know the drill. Make sure you hit that big thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I will have a list of all the products I'm using in this video down below in the description box, along with some discount codes for you, as well as links to all of my social media pages, so my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all of that stuff if you want to follow along with me anywhere else. I'll also have a link to my Facebook group, as well as my exclusive Elite mentorship group. That is a paid group where you get a whole bunch of additional content from me. I give out SVG files every month. All the ones I use in my videos you would get for free or included in your membership. I also go live in the Facebook group every week. We do giveaways, a ton of giveaways in there, cup swaps, monthly challenges where you win a prize. All kinds of fun stuff goes on in the Elite group. So if you want to join the Elite fam, you can go to madebymannyandmal.com/MBMM-Elite, and you can sign up at any time. You don't have to wait till the first of the month to sign up because you just get charged on the day you sign up every single month. So if you sign up today, you would be charged a month from now on the same date. Okay, I think that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. We're going to be using a 20-ounce stubby tumbler from Craft Haven, of course. I'm going to prep it by sanding it down, and then we are going to go in with our first layer here. We're going to use this sweater pattern vinyl from the Vinyl Cottage. This is Sweater 04, so if you go to the website and search Sweater 04, it will come right up. So in my wrapping this, I want to leave a little bit of room at the bottom because we're going to glitter the bottom of the cup. So I'm going to take my paper trimmer and trim down all of the white borders from the vinyl, and then I'll take it back to my cup and mark off where I want to cut off all of the excess. Obviously, we don't need to use this entire sheet of vinyl for this short little cup, so I'm going to just make a little mark on the vinyl and then trim it down so it will fit our cup perfectly. Once I've got my vinyl trimmed down, I'm going to place it on my cup. I'm just going to start in the middle and then kind of wrap it around and adjust it, make sure that my seams meet up as perfectly as I can get them. And once it's placed where I want it, I'm going to peel back a little bit of the vinyl from the backing, cut that backing off, and then use this little strip of adhesive that's exposed to kind of anchor my vinyl down onto my tumbler. And then I will make sure that it's still lined up the way I had it. Then take my felt-edged squeegee tool, my vinyl scraper, and gently and slowly push the vinyl onto the cup, pushing the backing away in the process. Once you get to the end of your wrap, you can trim the excess off if you'd like to. I chose not to on this tumbler. The seam met up pretty perfectly, so I didn't want to mess with it, and we're going to layer something else on top of this, so it doesn't really matter anyway. So once I've got my vinyl on my cup, I'm going to trim off the excess from the top rim of the cup. So I just pulled that vinyl tightly up over the top rim, and now I'm taking my craft knife with a sharp brand new blade on it, and I'm just going to trim that excess off. So from here, we're going to go right into our next layer. You do not need to do a coat of epoxy before you go in with this layer. So I'm going to take this super cute semi-transparent vinyl sheet. This is from Create by Firefly. It's all these cute little Christmas mugs. So this is semi-transparent, like I said, so the images are printed with white ink, and then all of that white space you see in between the images is clear. So you'll be able to see that sweater pattern through underneath all of those cute little cups. So I'm going to trim down this vinyl here. I'm basically cutting off all of the partial mugs. I want this to look like a very seamless wrap. So I cut off all of the mugs that had, part of them cut off and all of that. So I'm left with this wrap that kind of fits around the whole cup, but we'll just fill in the blanks later. So I'm essentially going to do the exact same thing that we did with our sweater vinyl. I'm going to wrap it around the cup, and then cut away a little bit of the backing, adhere the vinyl to the cup, and then gently smooth the rest of it onto the cup very slowly and carefully. I'm just using my thumbs for this, but you can totally use your squeegee if that's what you prefer. So once I've got that wrapped on the cup, I'm just going to take one little excess mug here, fill in all the blanks. So now it looks like we've got a just seamless little mug wrap on there. And then I'm going to go right into glittering the bottom of my cup. So I'm taking some blue painter's tape and I'm going to just tape off the bottom edge of our vinyl so that we can glitter all of that remaining stainless steel that's exposed. And to glitter this, we're going to make a little custom mix here. We're going to take Silver Bells and Yukon Cornelius, both from Create by Firefly. I'm just going to take a little bit of each of those, about a 50-50 mix that together, and that's what we're going to put on the bottom of our tumbler. I'm not going to base coat this, I'm just going to use the stainless steel as our base color. And I'm just going to go in with the Crystalac glitter glue, my favorite adhesive ever, and go in with this little glitter. I'm going to remove that blue painter's tape immediately after glittering, and then I'm going to set this aside and let it dry for 2 hours. Then I'll seal it with the glitter glue and go in with 2 coats of epoxy. I use KS Resin Liquidy Split Ultra UV epoxy, and because that glitter on the bottom was an ultra fine, we didn't really have to do much sanding on the tumbler. It was pretty smooth after those 2 coats. So now we're ready to go in with our decal. For the decal, we are going to use Tech Wrap Craft vinyl. I'm using a holographic chrome silver. It's really pretty. It has a ton of shift to it, and that's going to be the first layer of our offset, so that is our offset. And I'm just going to place this on the cup. I wanted to put it somewhere where it wouldn't like interfere with that little gingerbread in that mug. And by the way, this SVG is one I created. It is available on my website, madebyManiandMal.com, under digital downloads. So I'm placing the offset down here. I'm going to remove the transfer tape, and then I'm going to use that same piece of transfer tape to adhere the top part of our decal. For this top part, we're using blue mirror chrome vinyl, also from Tech Wrap Craft. This color I've been using a ton recently. It's a really perfect like winter chrome vinyl. Now you can get Tech Wrap Craft vinyl at their website, techwrapcraft.com, or you can order it on Amazon. I will have both options linked down below for you in the description box. So I'm just going to cut this up into pieces how I normally do and apply the top decal to the offset. I also added a little heart to the decal area. I cut this out of a red pearlescent vinyl, also from Tech Wrap Craft, and just placed that right next to the decal. Then I went in with my final 2 coats of epoxy, and here is the final result. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I upload brand new Tumbler tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you! Bye. And some discount codes for you. What is this? Run it back. Let's try that again. Oh, God, I can't. I gotta get it together. I can do it. I can do it. I'm a professional here. I can do this. We're serious. We're being serious. I'm serious, and don't call me Shirley. Okay. In the description box, along with some